Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Ernest Monyuytaa, and I continue again with the explanation of the functioning of the dynamic force system. We have seen in the experiment that has just passed that we have to carry out the experiment and measure values of time as T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, etc. And then we also measure the distance taken S as S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, and so on. Then, having in mind that speed or velocity equals to distance traveled all over the time taken, we measure the various velocities for time and the displacement as V1, V2, V3, V4, and V5. Then we square the velocity obtained at different levels to have V1 squared, V2 squared, V3 squared, V4 squared, and V5 squared, etc. A graph of uh, the squares of the different velocities obtained against the displacement at various levels will uh, give us a directly proportional gradient. And so we have the velocities, the square of the velocities there, and the displacement this way. If we calculate the gradient of this slope, we have the gradient equals to 2a. And then to have our acceleration, we now take the gradient divided by 2. This will help us obtain the acceleration of the body at different levels. Thank you very much. Another way we can work with this dynamic force system is by measuring the distance to and from at various levels of the runway, which means that you can use the trolley. Let me let you understand that this trolley has different forces that can be triggered at various positions. If you put here, it gives a lower force. Put it here, it gives a higher force, and the highest force is obtained at this level. So you can also use it to measure distances to and fro. You see, as I push it and forth and go to the other end, it comes back, just like that. So I can also change the distance here, and I send the trolley this way, pushes, comes back here while measuring the time and distances and recording at the same time. Thank you very much for kindly attention to this my lectures.